In this video, I will show you the knit stitch. Today, we're using our Crazy Sexy wool in the Rocky Grey colourway and a pair of our 15mm Maplewood knitting needles. Let's get started. Hold the empty needle in your right hand. With the tip of your right needle, insert it into the first stitch on your left needle, working from front to back. Now, take your yarn in your right hand and wrap it around your right needle, from left to right. Slide the right needle back out of the stitch, scooping up a loop of wrapped yarn in the process. You can now use your right needle to slide that stitch off your left needle. You've knitted your first stitch. Let's see that again. With the tip of your right needle, insert it through the first stitch on your left needle, making sure that the needle sits directly below the left needle, like so. Wrap your yarn around the right needle, working from left to right, and then slide out your right needle, scooping up a new loop of yarn in the process. And you complete your knit stitch by sliding off the first stitch on your left needle, like so. And I'll show you once more. Insert the tip of your right needle into that first stitch on your left needle from front to back. Wrap your yarn around your right needle. Pull your right needle towards you, scooping up a new loop of yarn. And then complete the stitch by sliding off that stitch off your left needle. So there you have it. That's how to work the knit stitch.